Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava mobile guys home screen setting guys, and today video title is guys how to change home screen mode in lava mobile. Friends, we want to change lava mobile home screen mode. So friends, how to change home screen mode in lava mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your lava mobile. So friends, how to use home screen setting. So first of all friends, click here display setting. After on display setting friends, scroll it home screen setting friends, click here. After on home screen friends, you can see layout display setting, click here. You can change friends your home screen layout setting from here. So friends, scroll it desktop mode setting guys, home screen mode, click here. And friends, you can select your home screen mode, app travel mode, and show all app on home screen standard mode you want to use. So friends, click here, and friends home screen mode will change, and friends you cannot swipe here in your lava mobile. Friends, all icon will show on your display. So friends, you cannot use lava mobile app travel mode setting. And friends, again you want to use app travel mode setting. So open your phone setting, display setting, home screen setting, and friends click here desktop mode setting and show all app in app driver. Friends, again click here, friends you can swipe and you can use app driver mode in your lava mobile. So like that friends, we can change home screen mode in lava mobile, and friends we can use it. And you want to use guys standard mode setting. So friends, again open your phone display setting, home screen setting, desktop mode, and you can change home screen mode, show all app on home screen, click here. Friends, you cannot use app travel mode. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.